Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial. Thank you for joining me. We are going to be creating a card using the compass. So let's get started. I've got the watercolour card here. I've got my compass. I've got my VersaFine Clair. This is the Nocturne. The next thing we're going to do is grab our little mask here that I did before, peel that off, and we're going to stick that over the top. So the next thing we're going to do is use the VersaFine Clair Rainforest. And we got lovely seaweed stamp, and we're going to put that down, and we'll do another one just at the top. And this time I'm going to stamp off and just do a second generation over here. I've got some lovely little sea urchins here, so I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne and put those down at the bottom. We've got a nice little foliage stamp which we can use as foliage, or we can use with our sea scenes as well. And then I've got a lovely little pound stamp here, and I'm going to ink up in the Golden Meadow. This is a great little stamp. I've got my little fish here, and I'm going to ink this one up in Twilight. I'm going to pop him. Just enjoy building up the scene. So now I'm going to use my stencil brush. This is the medium size one, and I've got Mermaid here, which is a really nice colour, great for sort of sea scenes, and I'm going to brush that over the top just to give it a little bit more depth. And we've also got green sleeves. I'm going to pop a little of that on as well. So I'm going to take that off now, and we're going to move on to our lovely Clean Colour Reel brush. They're all water based, but they paint beautifully, and the brush on them is super fine, so you can get into all that lovely detail. So we're going to put a little bit of colour on these guys down here, a little bit of blue over the top, and then again going back to my watercolour pen. And now these are Gansai Pearl Colours, another product by Kuretake. And I'm going to show you, and the mica in this is so fine that it's almost like painting with gold. And I'm just going to work my way around. Thanks guys for joining me for today's tutorial. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.